Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a cinematic black bar effect in your video by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Now tap on new project. Here select the video that you want to add in your timeline, and then you guys will find out your video on your timeline. Now let's delete the ending here. It's time to add effects, and tap on effect. Then under opening and closing effect, you guys will find out this horizontal effect. It is for the opening of this video, and in here you have to search movie frame effect, then add this cinema effect on your video. Then extend it to match with the video length. Now at the end, let's add a closing effect. You guys will find out this at the opening and closing section. I'm going to add this effect. You guys can use any of them that you want. Now let's tap on the check mark and watch this video. So this is how you guys can create a cinematic black bar effect in your video by using CapCut. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.